Welcome home! Healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Today we are making organic mini baked potatoes and shrimp and broccoli in garlic sauce. These are organic mini potatoes. I vacuum sealed on May 2nd. Today is May 18th. Let me show you how fresh the potatoes are. Wow, so fresh and looks brand new. I have another video that shows how you can use a vacuum sealer to store vegetables so they last longer. If you want to learn, please check it out. I'm going to use 13 mini potatoes. Cut each one in half. Cut one organic onion into halves and then third split the onions. Split the onions. Use 2 tablespoons of organic extra virgin olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of organic garlic and onion powder. Add a little organic black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and a little organic dry parsley. Mix well. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Let me show you how to peel and devein the shrimp. Add a little bit of salt and mix well. Today's welcome home tip. Let me show you how to clean the broccoli well. Put baking soda and vinegar in water. Soak entire broccoli head in the mixture for 15 minutes. Do not cut the broccoli because it will float on top of the water and not be cleaned well. Rinse broccoli at least 3 times with clean water. Cut broccoli. Boil 3 cups of water and then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add broccoli for 1 minute and remove. Wash with cold water and let broccoli dry. This is the garlic from the freezer. I have another video that shows how you can store garlic longer. If you want to learn, please check it out. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of garlic. Add 5 tablespoons of organic extra virgin olive oil into a pot. Add sliced garlic pieces. If you are using frozen garlic like me, don't preheat the oil because it will splatter. If you want extra garlic flavor, as like me, add 1 tablespoon of garlic puree or minced garlic. Add shrimp and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Continue cooking and stirring frequently until shrimp is cooked. Add 1 teaspoon of organic onion powder. Add a little organic black pepper. Keep cooking and stirring until shrimp is well done. Add organic red pepper flakes. Mix well. Add cooked broccoli. Cook for 2 minutes. Add organic dry parsley or fresh parsley right before turn off the heat. Looks so delicious. Let's set up the table. Let me taste first. Enjoy!